Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of rational function and vertical asymptote. Let's dive into it. In the xy plane, the graph of a rational function f has a vertical asymptote at x equals -1. Which of the following could be an expression for f of x? So, if you're talking about rational function, we're talking about numerator and the denominator. So, rational functions consist of numerator and the denominators. And now in this specific question, we're talking about a vertical asymptote. The vertical asymptote is all about denominator. To find any rational function's vertical asymptote, we are going to focus on its denominator. So we have nothing to do with denominator. And in this question, they indicated that we have x equals -1, but we have an asymptote added, x equals -1. So we must have an expression in the denominator. When you solve it for x by making it equal to 0, that's going to give you -1, which is x plus 1. Why? Because when I solve, as I said, x plus 1 by making it equal to 0 for x, I'm going to take away 1 from both sides, and x will become -1, as it indicated in the question. So I'm going to have x plus 1 in the denominator. With this is in mind, let's check the denominators in the given choices. In the choice A, we have x plus 1, yes, and these x plus 3 is canceling each other out. Excuse me. This is what we're looking for, actually. In the choice B, do we have x plus 2 in the denominator? No. Do I have an x plus 1 in the choice C? No. Let's check for the choice D. Do I have x plus 1 in here? No. So the correct answer will be then choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.